Welcome to our channel. If you want to join Planet Fitness and set up your membership, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit the Planet Fitness website or download the Planet Fitness app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Click on Join Now or sign up to begin the membership registration process. You'll be asked to enter your zip code or address to find the nearest Planet Fitness location. Step 3. Select your preferred home club from the list of nearby locations. This will be your primary gym, though Planet Fitness members can visit other locations depending on their membership type. Step 4. Choose your membership plan. Planet Fitness typically offers a basic or classic membership and a Black Card membership with additional perks like guest privileges and access to all locations. Step 5. Review the benefits of each membership tier, including access to equipment, amenities, and any additional features like tanning or massage chairs. Step 6. Click Continue and provide your personal information, including your full name, date of birth, phone number, and email address. Step 7. Review the membership agreement, including the monthly fee, annual fee if applicable, and cancellation policy. Make sure you understand all terms before proceeding. Step 8. Enter your payment information, such as credit card or checking account details, for monthly billing. Some locations may require payment through bank account drafts. Step 9. Agree to the terms and conditions, then submit your membership application. You'll receive a confirmation email with your membership details. Step 10. Visit your chosen Planet Fitness location to complete your registration, get your key tag, and take a photo for your member profile. You can start working out immediately after signing up. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.